tuh, beda satu dulu.
Okay, please sit down. Okay, for the interview, tell me about yourself.
Okay, thank you, sir, for this time. Yeah, let me introduce myself. My name is Farsak Ali, and I'm a second-year student in electronic engineering technology at Polytechnic Negeri Batam. And I'm passionate about electrical system design, especially in schematic development, PCB layout, and hardware integration. I enjoy to transforming idea into functional electronic system by design circuit, selecting approach components, and developing reliable PCB implementation. Through academic projects and self-learning, I have to gain experience in design electronic from concept to prototype. I'm particularly interested in developing efficient, manufacturable, and well-documented hardware solution, and I hope to pursue a career in electrical and hardware design engineering. Yes, that's all can I tell for my introduction.
Okay, good for this. Next, what technical skill do you have?
Okay, thank you, sir. My technical skill I have is I have one experience in design electronic schematic and PCB layout using electronic design software. My technical skill include the first one, schematic design and circuit analysis, also PCB layout development, including component placement and routing consideration, and reading and interpreting datasheet for component selection. Uh, design power distribution and signal connection for embedded system. And I have to basic knowledge of design rules of manufacturability and troubleshooting, prototyping, and hardware testing using measurement instrument such multimeter and oscilloscope. Microcontroller integration include like Raspberry Pi, Arduino, and sensor interfacing. Documentation preparation include like bill of material and wiring diagram. And also I comfortable I'm also comfortable collaboration between hardware and software aspect during system integration. Okay, that's all.
Okay, good answer. And next, can you describe a project you are working on?
Okay, the one project I have been developing in IoT-based security robot. In this project, I have responsible not only for system integration but also for electrical aspect of the design. I develop the wiring architecture, select electrical components, design power distribution for the Raspberry Pi and motor driver, and prepare the schematic documentation to ensure the reliable interconnection between the subsystem. The electrical system integrates several modules, including the first Raspberry Pi as the main control, L298N motor driver, infrared night vision camera, DC motor, battery power supply 9 volt, and communication interface for IoT functionally. I focus on ensuring the hardware architecture was organized, easy troubleshooting, and stable for the PCB implementation.
Okay. What tool do you use?
The tool I use for this project, the first I have to KiCad. KiCad like to schematic for the schematic and PCB layout, and datasheet for the component verification, multimeter for the continue and voltage testing, oscilloscope for the signal observation, Raspberry Pi, embed modules for integration testing, and breadboard prototyping, before the final implementation.
Okay, what challenge do you face?
Challenge. The one challenge was ensuring stable power delivery to different subsystems with varying voltage and current requirements. For example, motor generate electrical noise and voltage function the effect sensitive processing until units such the Raspberry Pi to address the issue. I implementation spare power path and improve grounding start and verify electrical connection during testing. Another challenge I involve translating conceptual wiring design and into a practical layout while considering component placement, signal routing, maintenance, and the experience taught me to the importance of system validation through the hardware development process.
Okay, it's perfect answer. The next, what are your strengths?
Okay, my strength. One of my strengths is attention into detail hardware development. Enjoy analyzing circuit carefully and identify the issue before fabrication. I'm systematic and when troubleshooting electrical system and prefer to validation and yet and design practice and industry standard through document and practical experimentation.
Okay, why are you interested in working in this field?
Because I am interested in electrical design hardware and foundation in every electronics product. I will design a schematic and PCB can significantly improve the reliability, manufacture and reliability, and product performance. I enjoy the process of transforming requirements into actual hardware that people can use the long term. I inspire to become an electrical design engineering, and that's all can I say.
Okay, what about your weaknesses?
Weakness. Okay, my weakness. The first one I think limited experience with industrial scale PCB manufacture process because I'm the new student. And the second one, expert to EMC and EMI complement and international standard is still basic. Limited experience working on multidisciplinary engineering teams and high speed PCB design experience is in the developing. And the last, I think I need a broader exposure to design for manufacturing and design for testing.
Okay, I think all the question of interview. For the next information, you must to waiting for information next.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, sir.